Alright, we're going to unbox. Just came in from Amazon. The brand new Nikon 28-300 f3.5 to 5.6. I ordered it the day that it went on sale. I got the link from NikonRumors.com. Ordered it from Amazon. It obviously didn't take too long to get here. There's the box. There's what I'm assuming would be the pouch and the lens hood. There's the lens hood. Standard Nikon pouch. Comes the warranty papers, 5 years, manual. Another piece of packing, and here it comes. Probably feels about as heavy as my 1635 or my 105 micro. Here it is here. It's got the zoom lock, locks it at 28. Here's the lens, closed. Here's my 105 micro, and it feels exactly about the same weight, and it looks almost to be exactly the same size. It's about exactly the same size as the 105 and probably the same weight. Yeah, it's almost exact. Here's, just for reference, here's the 1635, and again, it's probably a hair smaller and a little bit heavier than the 1635. Here's the 28 zoom. Here we're going to take it out. There's 200, 300. Pretty much looks about to be the same length as the old 7300 was. Probably maybe a tad shorter. 77 millimeter lens cap. And here it is. The Nikon 28-300. 3.5 to 5.6 VR2 AFS. Now we'll go check it out.